Subscribe CoinZF and listen carefully because what I am about to reveal today might completely change the way you look at the coin sitting quietly in your drawer, your old wallet, or even that forgotten box in the corner of your house. Because sometimes the smallest pieces of metal carry stories, history, and unexpected value that most people ignore for years without realizing what they truly hold in their hands. And today we are diving deep into a coin that many people have seen, many have spent without thinking twice, but only a few understand its hidden charm and surprising worth. The 1 Rand coin for 1999 South Africa. A coin that looks ordinary at first glance, but carries a quiet power that speaks to collectors, history lovers, and those who know where real value hides. Imagine this: a man in his late 50s, maybe even 60s, sitting in his home after a long day, opening an old tin box filled with coins collected over decades. Coins from travels, coins from change, coins given by friends or picked up unknowingly. And among them lies this 1999 1 Rand coin, slightly worn, edges showing signs of time, but still shining with a character that refuses to fade. He looks at it casually at first, then curiosity kicks in, because something about it feels different. Something tells him this coin has a story worth uncovering. This is exactly how many discoveries begin. Not with intention, but with curiosity, and that curiosity often leads to something far more valuable than expected, because the 1999 1 Rand coin is not just a piece of currency, it is a symbol of a country moving forward, a time when South Africa was shaping a new identity after years of change, and coins like these were silently witnessing history being made, passing from one hand to another, collecting memories without anyone noticing. Now let's talk about what makes this coin truly interesting, because not every 1 Rand coin is the same. And this is where most people make a mistake. They assume all coins of the same type have equal value. But collectors know better. They understand that year, condition, rarity, and small details can turn an ordinary coin into something worth far more than its face value. And the 1999 edition carries a unique place in that world. The design itself is elegant yet meaningful, featuring elements that reflect South Africa's identity, culture, and pride. The craftsmanship is not just about appearance, it's about representation. And when you hold it, you're not just holding money, you're holding a piece of history that traveled through time to reach you. And that alone gives it a kind of emotional value that cannot be measured easily. But here's where things get even more interesting, because collectors across the world have shown growing interest in coins from the late 1990s. Especially those that come from countries with rich and complex histories, and South Africa stands proudly among them, which means coins like the 1999 1 Rand are slowly gaining attention. And with attention comes demand, and with demand comes value. Now picture someone scrolling through coin listings late at night, maybe after dinner, maybe just passing time, and suddenly they come across a listing for a coin that looks exactly like the one sitting in their drawer, but the price catches their eye, not a few cents, not even just $1, but something significantly higher. And that moment creates a spark, a realization that what they thought was ordinary might actually hold more value than they ever imagined. This is the moment where collectors are born, not from knowledge alone, but from discovery, from that feeling of uncovering something hidden in plain sight. And the 1999 1 Rand coin has been one of those quiet discoveries for many people who never expected it to matter. Condition plays a huge role here, and this is something many overlook. A coin that has been preserved well, with clear details, minimal scratches, and strong edges can be worth much more than one that has been heavily used. So if you have one of these coins, take a moment to really look at it. Not just glance at it, but examine it. Feel its texture, observe its shine, because small differences can mean a lot in the world of collecting. There are also subtle variations that only experienced collectors notice. And these variations can make certain coins more desirable than others. Sometimes it's a slight difference in minting. Sometimes it's an error that occurred during production. And these errors, although rare, can significantly increase the value of a coin, turning it from a simple collectible into something truly special. Now let's talk about value, because this is what everyone is curious about. And while not every 1999 1 Rand coin will bring a fortune, there are examples that have reached impressive figures depending on their condition and uniqueness. And this is where patience and knowledge come into play. because the right buyer at the right time can see value where others see none. Think about the journey of this coin, from the moment it was minted to the countless hands it passed through, to the places it traveled, the stories it silently witnessed, and now possibly sitting with you, waiting for you to recognize its worth. It's almost poetic when you think about it, how something so small can carry so much history and potential. Many people in their later years find joy in collecting, not just for money, but for the connection it creates with the past. Each coin becomes a memory, a story, a piece of a larger puzzle, and coins like the 1999 1 Rand fit perfectly into that narrative, offering both historical significance and the possibility of financial value. There's also a sense of pride that comes with owning something rare or valuable, something that not everyone has, something that you discovered on your own. And that pride is not about showing off. It's about appreciation, about understanding the journey of that object and recognizing its place in history. And let's be honest, there's also excitement in the possibility that something you already own could be worth more than you thought. That feeling of turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, it's a feeling that never gets old, no matter your age. So if you have a 1999 1 Rand coin, or if you come across one, don't dismiss it too quickly. Take the time to understand it, to research it, to appreciate it, because value is not always obvious. Sometimes it reveals itself only to those who are willing to look a little closer. Collecting coins is not just a hobby. It's a journey, a way to connect with history, to learn, to discover, and sometimes to benefit financially. And coins like this one remind us that even the smallest things can hold great significance. Now imagine sharing this discovery with a friend, showing them the coin, explaining its background, its potential value, and seeing their reaction. That moment of surprise, that spark of curiosity, it's a simple yet powerful experience that brings people together. The world is full of hidden treasures, and not all of them are buried deep underground or locked away in vaults. Some of them are right in front of us, in our homes, in our pockets, waiting to be noticed, waiting to be appreciated. And this is why stories like the 1999 1 Rand coin matter, because they remind us to pay attention, to look closer, to question what we think we know, and to remain open to the possibility that value can exist where we least expect it. As time goes on, coins like this may become even more sought after, as collectors continue to search for unique pieces to add to their collections, and as supply becomes more limited, the value can increase, making today the perfect time to start paying attention. So take a moment after this, check your coins, look through your drawers, revisit those old collections, because you never know what you might find, and sometimes that one small discovery can lead to something much bigger. And remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the story, the journey, the connection, and the excitement of discovery, all wrapped into a single coin that most people would overlook without a second thought. And now, after everything we have explored, after understanding the history, the potential, and the hidden value of this coin, here comes the part that truly captures attention. Because in the right condition, in the right market, with the right buyer, this 1999 South African 1 Rand coin has been known to reach a value around $55.67. A number that might seem surprising for something so small, yet completely possible in the world of coin collecting where rarity, demand, and condition come together to create real worth beyond